Holy shit.
Fuck. Well, it's strong enough.
Going too fast. Too strong boat. You can't see. Oh, you about to hit another one. Oh shit! He's about to hit another one. Damn! Move! 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 Oh my! Oh fuck! Hold on! Oh my god! They're tipping over. They're tipping over. Oh, it's gonna hit here. It's gonna hit here. This is gonna hit here. Oh shit! We might get hit.
Oh, I see it.
Whoa, this just happened.
Is there anybody on that cat?
Yeah. That cat's loose. We need to get some fenders. That cat is loose. Fuck.
Yeah, guys, you stand by with a couple of fenders
That's
on the foredeck. Thank you.
This is nuts.
Yeah,